The power of money. Money is a very important part of our life. It is something we all need and use every day. With money, we can buy food, clothes, a house, and many other things we need. Without money, life becomes very hard. That is why money has great power. What is money? Money is anything that people use to buy goods and services. Long ago, people did not use money. They used to exchange things. For example, if one person had rice and needed milk, he would find someone who had milk and needed rice. This was called the barter system. But it was difficult. So, people started using coins and notes. Today, we also have digital money like money in banks and apps. Why money is powerful? Money is powerful because it helps us live a good life. It gives us comfort. With money, we can buy a good house, nice clothes, tasty food, and go on trips. It also helps us get a good education and good medical care. Money gives people freedom. A person with money can make choices more easily. They can decide where to live, what to eat, and what work to do. Poor people often do not have many choices because they need to think about money all the time. Money and education. Money can help us get a good education. Schools and colleges cost money. Books, uniforms, and other study materials also need money. A child from a rich family can go to a good school, join classes, and even study in another country. A poor child may not have these chances. Money and health. Good health is very important. When we are sick, we go to a doctor. Hospitals, doctors, and medicines cost money. If someone has money, they can go to a good hospital and get the best treatment. But if someone is poor, they may not get the same help. So, money helps us stay healthy and safe. Money and happiness. Some people say, money cannot buy happiness. This is true in some ways. Money alone does not make us happy. Love, friendship, and peace also bring happiness. But money can make life easier. When we have money, we do not have to worry about food, clothes, or bills. This gives us peace of mind. So, money helps us be more comfortable and sometimes even happy. Money and power in today's world. Money gives people power. Rich people can start big businesses, run companies, and even help make big decisions in the country. Sometimes, money can also bring fame. Rich people are often respected more, even if they are not kind or wise. The dark side of money. Money is not always good. Some people do bad things to get money. They steal, lie, or cheat others. This is wrong. Love for money can also break families and friendships. When people care more about money than people, they may become selfish and greedy. Some even forget what is right or wrong. Saving money. Saving money is very important. We should not spend all our money at once. We should save some for the future. If we fall sick or lose our job, saved money can help us. Saving helps us feel safe. We can keep money in a bank or save it at home. Earning money. There are many ways to earn money. People work in offices, farms, shops, factories, and many other places. Some people do business. Some offer services like cleaning, driving, or teaching. Hard work and honesty are the best ways to earn money. Sharing money. It is good to share money. If we have more money than we need, we should help others. We can give money to poor people, help children go to school, or support someone who is sick. Sharing makes the world a better place. It also makes us feel happy inside. Money in the future. In the future, money will keep changing. We already use phones and computers to pay for things. In some places, people don't use cash at all. They only use cards or apps. New types of money, like cryptocurrency, are also becoming popular. But one thing is sure, money will always be important. Final thoughts. Money is a big part of our lives. It helps us live well, learn, stay healthy, and enjoy life. But we should use it wisely. Money is a good servant but a bad master. This means money should help us, not control us. We should work hard, earn honestly, save wisely, and help others. That is the real power of money.